Television is a window through which we're able to see the world and learn. But in Africa, having a TV at home is a luxury not every family can enjoy. A private company from China spotted this business opportunity, and because of their efforts, more African families are now able to learn about the wider world through TV. Tanzania, a country along the maritime Silk Road, has a long-standing friendship with China. Many Chinese companies come here looking for investment and development opportunities.
我们刚刚过去的时候，非洲别说树的电视了，它整个的模拟电视的普及率都是非常低的。当时很多非洲的官员在跟我们交流的时候，特别爱说的一句话就是，在我们这里看数字电视是一件很奢侈的事情，它不是普通的老百姓能够享受到的一种服务。
Now, Tanzania is becoming the first country in Africa to transform its TV service from analog to digital right across the country. Even families scattered in remote rural areas are now able to watch TV. Early in the morning, John and Nasoro are getting ready to head out. They're digital satellite installers working for Star Times. Today they're going to Yombo village, about 100 kilometres from Dar es Salaam, to install TV satellite receivers for users. Dar es Salaam is Tanzania's largest city and is part of the maritime Silk Road. The engineer's truck leaves the city for the countryside, where the lifestyle and households of ordinary rural Africans can be seen. Neighbours who have heard that Yusuf is about to install a television today are already waiting outside his home. After more than 2 hours driving, the truck arrives at the village. It takes them 15 minutes to make their way through the village's busy bazaar, after which they finally stop in front of Yusuf's house. Because Yusuf's home is relatively remote, John needs to install a satellite television receiver on the roof. Then he enters the house to connect the set-top box.
Sasa tunaifunga hapa. Sasa tunaifunga, unaona hii hapa. Tunafunga kwenye lobi hapa. Cha kwanza kutoka huko. Funga hapa hivi.
Before, Yusuf's family were only able to watch DVDs, whereas now there's not only live football for him and music programs for his wife, there are also cartoons for his children.
Hebu njoni tuangalieni. Tayari. Fanya haraka njoo tuangalie kwanza. Njoo. Angalie. Sana. Mama karibu. Mpishe nije mama kidogo. Hapa una. Ongea mama hapa hapo.
Rudi kaa vizuri.
Rudi Joka hapa rudi.
Because I'm happy when they help the citizens to see their channels. So when you finish the store, you see TV, oh, you see the news, oh, you see the time furious, you see the cinema, it's so good. So I'm happy because it helps them to see, to enjoy. So they will enjoy, I may enjoy.
This is the story of digital TV development in Tanzania. a Chinese company identified the business opportunity of digital TV service provision in Africa. By establishing a widespread TV service for ordinary African families in both urban and rural areas, they're set to become one of the fastest growing and most far-reaching digital TV operators on the African continent.